Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an alcohol ink flower and we're going to be using some neutral colors. First I've got the Kamenskaya Gold, then I've got Kamenskaya Beige, and then Kamenskaya Brown Chestnut. And you'll see later on that I end up using some Pinata Blanco Blanco and Ranger Snowcap for the center of my flower. I'll give you a quick look at those down in the corner there too real quick. But yeah, those are the colors that we're using, and we're going to be doing this on a 5x7 Amazon Basics photo paper. And you want to make sure that you are using the matte side, not the shiny side, the matte side, the back side. So we're going to start out, and first we're going to lay down a drop of the Kamenskaya Brown Chestnut. And what you want to do is you want to dry it first, because I want my beige to pick up a little bit of the brown. Now I'm adding some of the mixture of brown that I have in my needle bottle. It's a mixture of like half and half alcohol to ink, and then I'm putting a couple drops of the Kamenskaya Gold in it too. But I'm gonna let that dry, because if I don't, then that whole puddle will blow and mix in with my beige instead of just a little bit. When you dry it first and then you add a little bit of wet on the outer edge, you'll see that it picks up just a little bit of that dry ink color and pulls it through and gives it almost kind of like an ombre effect. So here it is in real time. You can see that puddle is dry, and here I'm putting that few drops of the beige down, and I think I add a few drops of the Kamenskaya Gold mixed with alcohol too. And then we give it a blow out, and you see how it wetted a little bit of that brown underneath, and it's kind of picking it up and dragging it out with it as you blow the air. That's kind of the effect that I want to go for. Now I am a little out of practice, so yeah. This flower does not turn out as well as I thought it would, but I wanted to show you this part in real time, and then we're going to speed things up here in a little bit and just kind of zoom through to the end, because like I said, I'm not that pleased. I love the color blending and the shading that I got. I just don't care for the end of the petals as much. They got a little messy and everything. Like I said, because I am out of practice. So you'll probably be seeing a lot more alcohol ink on my channel, just because I do want to get back in the swing of this and do a lot more. So here we are, speeding things up, and yeah, just going around, kind of alternating from one end to another. And then later on, when I start doing the dark colors, the dark brown on top of the beige, you'll see I start doing kind of the pinwheel effect, where I'm kind of going just around side by side with each petal. But to start out, I kind of go cross section, you know, like left side, then right side, then turn it, left side, then right side, and turn it, kind of thing. So this is part of the ThursdayTrain. I'm not sure who all has a video up today, but it's usually Gert Creates, Dave's Acrylic Creations, Just Janice, myself, and Adrian and Corey with Art's Real Cool. So please look for their links down in my description, and a playlist for the entire train where you can just click all and watch all of us without missing a video. All right, so yeah, like I said, we're gonna just speed this up. I'm gonna put on some music for you guys, and I will see you at the end for this.
I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got myself stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. I'm in
what a difference a frame makes. Wow. Because yeah, even after I first laid that matte framing around it, I still wasn't that big of a fan of it and everything. And then I thought, well, I wonder if I put it in landscape. And yeah, it kind of looked a little better, but it was still missing something. And then I found this frame and I was like, So yeah, I got it at the Dollar Tree and slid that in there, and wow. Yeah, I think it totally saved the painting. Like I said, you know, some people make it look easy. Sometimes it does come easy. Sometimes you never get past the ugly stage. But yeah, you know, I'm digging it now. Are you digging it? I'm digging it. So there we have it. And here was everything we used. There's the pinata. That's Blanco Blanco. I think I threw in a little bit of snow cap in there as well from Ranger. Yep, there it is. Ranger snow cap. And then, yeah, the Kamenskaya. The gold, the beige, and the brown chestnut. And I love all the colors together. Love all the colors together. I just wasn't digging on how raggedy they look, but yeah, it's now I'm kind of cool with it. And yeah, I guess if you could kind of picture a tobacco leaf becoming a flower. It just, wow. I think it looks so much better in a frame. So let me know in the comments below. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.